appeals, that is user friendly, and that's also that delivers some expression, that delivers something, a message, because architecture is an expression, and I think it should give something. With the style, with the sense of style, with the sense of idea, the things you're looking for in your own house. People usually go with the recommendations, ke flane ne kara tha, we know someone, yeah, by someone, some relative or anything. But I think if someone has a true eye for the art, it should be because of your requirements. You should look for an architect who fulfills your particular requirement. Very good initiative. I really appreciate it because it was very much needed to bring architects to local public, because we were bringing a gap. There was a gap in the layman and an architect. Yeah, the houses that are designed by the architects. So to flourish to flourish the philosophy and everything, I think it's important. The initiative is very nice. It's very good. I really appreciate it.